At the end of year X, automobile installment credit accounted for 36% of all outstanding consumer installment credit. At that time, automobile finance companies extended $57 billion of credit, or 1/3 of the automobile installment credit. How many billion dollars of consumer installment credit was outstanding at the time? So they're asking for an answer in terms of billions of dollars, so that's good because I can just think of this as being $57 because it's already in terms of billion. And so now I need to break down this information they're giving to us. So forget about the numbers first. I just want to understand how they are breaking down this credit. So we got total credit at the top, right? And then we got automobile credit. And then below that, we got automobile credit extended by automobile finance companies. So we can think of total credit can be broken down into auto credit and then everything else, non-auto credit. And then auto credit, they break down into auto credit from finance companies, from auto finance companies, implying that some auto credit is not extended by auto finance companies. So it's extended by banks or something. So then what do we know? Automobile installment credit accounted for 36% of all credit. So we got some total amount of credit T, and we know my auto credit then should be 0.36 T, which means my non-auto credit is going to be 0.64 T. And then they say at that time, automobile finance companies extended $57 billion. So we'll just say 57. Or 1/3 of the automobile installment credit. So that is 1/3 of 0.36 T. So now, and then they're asking for how many consumer credits. So they're asking for T, right? So we know my $57 billion is equal to 1/3 of my auto credit. So 1/3 of 0.36 T, or 36 over 100. What's that? Divided by 2 is 18 over 50. Divided by 2 again, 9 over 25. So 1/3 of 9 over 25 T. And so 57 is equal to 9 over, so of course we can cancel that out. So 3 over 57 is equal to 3 over 25 T. So 3 over 25 T, so T should be equal to 57 times 25 over 3. Just multiply each side by 25 over 3 to get rid of the fraction here. And so T is equal to 57 should be divisible by 3 because the digits sum to 3. I don't know what that is though off the top of my head. 3 goes into 5 once. 19. So 57 over 3 is 19. So T should be 19 times 25. What's that? 5. So 45. Put the 4 here. 18 plus 4 is 22. 0, 5, 2. $475 billion. Total consumer credit, C. So the numbers here, I would say, are less important than just organizing it. Making a table or making a tree like I did, so that you know how everything is stacked on top of each other.